Hi everyone, it's another day, another share with Phyllis. That's me for Mad Moody Quilting Fabrics. All right, so I'm on a roll. Getting some filming done. Like I said last week, I am going to be sharing all the new collections that have come in, and there has been a lot of collections. Some of them very big, some of them quite small, like just filler stuff and or things like that, okay? But you're going to get to see them all in the next few, not the next few, the next month. That's how much has come in since the last time I filmed. Well, I filmed last week and I filmed the week before. But the last time I filmed it was August 1st, before the last two films that anyways, I digress, okay? Let's get into this, okay? This collection is Civil War reproduction, and it's called Arabella. There is kits available. The kits are huge. So this quilt is finished at 84.5 by 84.5. And it's designed by Katie Selberge and Carrie Quinn, Peaceful Gathering Quilt Shop. Okay, that is the pattern. It's hard to see because that light is really, but that's the pattern. It is absolutely stunning. The fabrics are gorgeous. There's all the fabrics. It's a huge quilt. But yeah, that's, I have, I think I have 3 kits left out of the 5 that yeah, 2 have already been sold. So, the fabrics themselves are going down fairly well. You know, it's very new. I mean, it came in August after I stopped filming for the summer. All right, so this is the wide back. This is heavy. This came in September. So the wide back came in later. It's absolutely stunning. Phenomenal. And now I'm going to start showing you the 45s. So there's this cute little red with a little dotted print on it. And then there's this brown with another dotted print on it. It's not dots, they're like leaves. Then there's this one. It's the same print as the red, but it's in a lighter brown. This is like a stripe. It's absolutely stunning. I love these fabrics. There's a couple of different backgrounds. This is the cream. I love, love, love the print. Okay, and that's down. That's selling. This one's another one. I really like the color. The color is really fresh looking. Okay, then it's this print on cream. And then it's this red, same print on red. Let me just move those over there. I think this print is adorable. This is cream with red. The print is in red. I don't know what those are called. Anyways, I digress. This is brown with a like a bit of a leafy vine. This one, I think this is the same print but in gold. It looks completely different than the brown. Then there's this one here. This is a taupey background. It's called Tan Sprig. The other one I think was Cream Sprig. Okay, and then there's this one. Brown background with kind of like a rosy or floral with leaves. Very nice. This one is a green. It's a pretty green, and it's going down. I'm not surprised. Greens don't last long in the store. They come and go. Okay, then there's this. This is like a burgundy, like a wine color. Whoopity, things are falling. All right. This one is called Cream Paisley. It's because of the little paisley print right there, like those little paisleys. And the print is in brown. This is another green. I like this green also. I think it's because of the print. It's just, the print softens the color a bit. That's I'm going with that story. I love that print. That is phenomenally amazing. Then there is this twirly gold. I showed it to you with the cream with the red. This is gold with the brown print on it. I don't know what that's called. Then there's this lighter cream with the little print of, I think it's acorns or something. Anyways, this print, the sprig, this is the red one. It's more, it's not a bright red, it's more like a burgundy red, but they're calling it red. And then this print is the last one in this series. This is just stunning, and this has gone down quite a bit. It's quite, there's not much left on this. I mean, I kitted up. I think it was 5 kits I kitted up for this. Yeah, yes, it was 5 kits. So these are Marcus fabrics. They're, like I said, they're designed by Carrie Quinn and Katie Solberg, and they've designed for Marcus fabrics. So these are Civil War reproductions Marcus fabrics. So I hope you enjoyed them. Of course, I will be putting the links down below to find these easily if this is something that you'd be interested in. So next week I will be back with another day, another share. So happy quilting, and we'll see you next week. Bye!